Hello and welcome to Livestock TV. In this video, we are going to look at 15 deadly chicken diseases that can destroy your poultry farm. So don't go anywhere, stay with me and let's discuss this. If this is your first time on the channel, I'll plead with you to subscribe and also share this video if you like it. Now, let's go straight to the point. Chicken diseases or poultry diseases are a threat to every farmer. The earlier you detect the disease or you prevent it from entering your farm in the first place, the better for you. So in this video, we are just going to mention the diseases from 15 to number 1. They are not arranged in any certain order. So let's go straight to the point. Number 15, we have Salmonella. 14, we have Coccidiosis. 13, Mashy chick. 12, air sac disease. 11, Bumble foot. 10, thrust. 9, Marek's disease. 8, Infectious Coryza. 7, Infectious Bronchitis. 6, fowl cholera. Number 5, botulism. Number 4, quail disease. Number 3, fowl pox. Number 2, avian influenza disease, or what we normally call bird flu. And number 1, Newcastle disease. These diseases are not friendly at all, and every farmer has to have at least some form of knowledge about them and how to prevent or treat them. Thank you for watching this video and bye bye.